CARBIN Reef, a white sandbar island off the coast of Sagay City, right over there. So we're now standing here on CARBIN Reef, and that island over there is Suyak Island. We've been there, and the mode of transportation, of course, in our island hopping adventure is the boat. Where is that boat? Okay, there's the boat. In Ilonggo, it's called Baroto. Baroto for little boat. Of course, actually that motorboat is our mode of transportation. In Ilonggo, it's called pambot, pambot, or pambot, from pump boat or a motorboat, a motorized bangka. Unlike Suyak Island, which is full of mangroves, 9 species of mangroves to be exact, CARBIN Reef has nothing growing in it because it's just sandbar. So it's just white sand. So for me, the best time to come to CARBIN Reef is not during high noon when it's just so hot and there is no shade except for the man-made tents there, man-made cottages, and there is a tower there. So other than that, there's nothing here. So I think this is the best time for now when the sun is going down and you get an awesome view of the sunset maybe, except that it's low tide right now. So let's talk about tides. High tide means taob and low tide means hunas. You need to be aware of the tides when going island hopping to appreciate the full beauty or the full potential of the island. So watch out for your calendars, take note of the waters. You can also Google them, check if it's a high tide or a low tide. High tide taob, low tide hunas. Let's do a little camera trick here. So am I doing the right thing? Balancing the tower on the palm of my hand. So the water also has a phase, like if it's calm water like this one, it's called linaw. And if the water is clear, it's called tinaw. So look how clear the water is, it's tinaw. Now it's time for us to explore the tower or the torre. I'm at the top of the tower right now where I can have a great view of the island sandbar and the clear waters. Yep. So this is CARBIN Reef sandbar. Protected marine sanctuary where they're not allowed to fish.
Okay.
So that's why we have those guys staying overnight to watch over this area to ward off illegal fishermen. So this is Joan of Arc 160. Bye bye, CARBIN Reef.